Ever heard of Beam? It's a privacy-focused cryptocurrency with a unique approach to anonymity. But here's the burning question: how many people are actually using it? Is it just a niche player, or is it gaining traction? Let's dive in. Beam is a cryptocurrency built on the Mimblewimble protocol, a revolutionary technology designed to enhance privacy. Unlike Bitcoin, which leaves a public record of all transactions, Beam transactions are shielded, making it incredibly difficult to track who sent what to whom. This focus on privacy is a major selling point, attracting users who value financial freedom and anonymity. Now, figuring out the exact number of Beam users is tricky. Unlike traditional banks or social media platforms, cryptocurrency doesn't always have a centralized user database. Many transactions are peer-to-peer, and user information can be fragmented across various wallets and exchanges. So, how do we get an idea? On-chain data, we can analyze blockchain activity. Things like the number of active addresses and transaction volume can give us some clues. However, this data doesn't tell us the unique number of users, as one person can control multiple addresses. Exchange data, looking at trading volumes on cryptocurrency exchanges that list Beam, can provide some insights. But this only reflects a portion of the user base, as many users may hold Beam in their own wallets. Community activity, observing the activity on Beam's official channels, forums, and social media can give us a sense of the community's size and engagement. Based on a combination of these data points and community observations, it's estimated that Beam has tens of thousands of users globally. This is a significant number for a privacy-focused cryptocurrency, but it's still a fraction compared to more established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's crucial to remember that these are rough estimates. The actual user base could be larger or smaller. Despite the challenges in tracking user numbers, Beam has a strong community and a promising future. The Mimblewimble protocol offers a unique advantage in terms of privacy and scalability, and the team behind Beam is actively developing new features and improvements. If you're intrigued by privacy-focused cryptocurrencies, I encourage you to do your own research on Beam. Explore the technology, understand the risks, and decide if it aligns with your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.